Hello. In this video, we will take a look at how can we make a basic web server with fast API. Let me show you. So this is a GitHub repository of the code containing the web server that I have just built. It's a very simple fast API based web server which demonstrates HTTP request and response. This is just like a hello world program for anyone who's getting started into web server. So we are going to implement a very simple front end, and this front end consists of two different things. It consists of two boxes as shown below. So the box on the left allows one to select any of the three objects. So for example, we can select an animal. It can be cat, dog, or elephant. And in the backend, we have these images stored. And when a user clicks on show animal, it shows the animal. And then we have another feature which is called upload a file, wherein user can upload a file, and then the program shows some details about the file. I have some quick installation instructions. So let's go ahead and run the program. To install this application, you need to download the code from the GitHub repository, which will be linked in the description below, and then create a virtual environment and install the requirements, requirements that are mentioned here in this file. And then we can go to the main and just run. Okay, so it says UVicon running on this particular address. So let's go there. So this is a web server that's running locally. So here it is. So on the left, we have select an animal. So let's select a dog and show animal. This is a cute puppy that is actually stored in the backend. So let's see if we have an elephant. There you go. And let's look at the cat image. That's quite serious. Okay, now let's see what is this functionality, upload a file. So let's say we try to upload any file, maybe this one, basic wallpaper. So let's click on upload. So it gives us some basic information such as the name, the size of this file, and the type. So if we were to choose some other file, for example, this readme, and then once we upload, yeah, this is just a very small file. It doesn't take much space. So it's almost 0 bytes, and it says that it's of text or markdown. Yeah, so this is the simple application. If we go back to the GitHub repository, we can also see how we can build this application in just under 30 minutes with no experience. Yeah, I have no prior experience in making front end or back end, and I'm actually experimenting how we can use large language models such as ChatGPT and others. In this case, I have used Perplexity. I've used just the free version and have actually generated code for this entire project. So I have also provided the queries that I have used to generate this code. I hope you also try out and build something on your own. Thank you and happy learning.